YouTube, Lemons here. We've got trucks going with us already. We got like 4 or 5 of them going with us here. There's another one right there. We got like, I think like 6 of them or something right ahead of us here. So that's pretty cool to see. Patting some diesels. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the last episode of this. I've had a lot of fun doing all this. It's fun, it's nice. Just having a lot of fun here. Just back on the freeway here, there is so many cars again. Looks crazy. But yeah, we're back on the interstate here. This is fun now. Yep. Just got done eating, that was nice. Someone's hitting their brakes, that's always a good sign. Probably that diesel up there. Maybe. Now there is... There's quite a few trucks up there though, I will admit that, run. Whatever that noise just was. There's the turnpike that I was talking about last episode. If you go straight that way, you'll head towards Chicago. Oh my goodness, I've never seen this many trucks. And it's a weekend too. Of course, you figure on the weekend, there wouldn't be like nothing. But yeah, we got like 6 of them ahead. Oh my god, there's another one getting on. Yeah, there's another one getting on up here.
Look at these goofy people.
Oh, who are those goofies?
There's another one getting on up here. There's so many trucks, dude. We got truckers up ahead of us here.
Who are those goofies?
There we go. Yeah, but there's the Cadillac. That is supposed to be the fastest car in America. So that I don't know about that. Yeah. But oh my god, I've never seen this many semis, dude. This is, there's still one trying to merge on. Like, normally on the weekends, I'm filming, I've never seen this many trucks ahead of us. Look at that guy just now getting on up there. So we got some diesels ahead of us here. Pretty cool indeed. Look at that. Silverado, and then we got a couple trucks ahead of us here. That one just like merged straight on. How many trucks do we have ahead of us? I don't know exactly. I wasn't really paying that attention. I did see quite a few though. Oh, of course. Saw that one coming. Ew. Just having a lot of fun. How many trucks do you think are going to be going with us? I have no idea. We'll see. We're about to find out how many trucks we're going to have ahead of us here on the freeway. We are about to find out. Freeway, interstate, motorway. One of them's going. A second one. Oh my god, they're all going with us, dude. We're going to have a ton of truck fun here in a little bit, guys. Stay tuned. Looks like every one of them did. I don't see any going straight. Holy cow. Got like 3 of them, dude. That's nuts. That's crazy. 3 semi-trucks going with us. I think that's like the first time that's ever happened, ever. And I'm being honest, too. This first one looks pretty, too. Looks all chromed out and stuff. Oh my god, someone broke down too. Someone broke down. What we got? Poor semi broke down. Hope that truck's alright. And a car. And a car broke down too, of course. Why wouldn't that be a thing? Oh, here we go. Oh. Yeah, we definitely got free semi-trucks ahead of us. That's nuts, dude. It's definitely gonna be a YouTube video right here, no matter what. Here come the first one. It's the pretty one I was talking about, the chromed out one right here. Look at this. Dude, that actually looks pretty. Oh my god, I love that. And then here comes our rest of our family. Yep. And another truck right here, another Cascade. I think they're all Cascadias. I think, if I'm not mistaken. There's that one, a Cascadia. Another Cascadia, and then we have, I think, another Cascadia. Pretty sure. That Challenge company, I'm assuming. Yeah, just having a lot of fun here. Yeah, we got a... Ha! The last second there, dude. Nice try. Could have caught an accident with this truck. Real smart move. Ah, whoa! That's an interesting looking International. That's one of the older ones, too. Yeah, I wonder if all three of the trucks are still back there. I see one. Look like it. They're coming. Yeah, we're on the freeway. Yep, a lot of trucks, dude. I swear I see two more up there. Oh, look at that one. That's pretty. So many like pretty trucks out nowadays, dude. It's crazy. It is definitely a thing to see. Definitely a good sight to see. Yeah, we're on the freeway. Beautiful. Being on the interstate. Yeah, we're on the interstate, having a lot of fun here. I love being on the freeway, it's beautiful. Just on the interstate, having a lot of fun. Man, them trucks are just playing leapfrog back there. Oh my god, there's a second one up there. So we have another one up there. Holy crap. That's very surprising. Yeah, we're on the freeway. Just kind of rolling along. They're kind of fancy, like 3 more trucks up there. Trucks. That's what that is. Is that a box on the side of the road? No, there's a box on the side of the road. A few of them. Lord. Someone dropped some boxes. Interesting. Yep, just kind of rolling on. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day on the freeway. Lovely. Yep, just kind of rolling along here. Yeah, them trucks back there are playing leapfrog. The white one passed the red one, now the red one's passing the white one. They're playing some leapfrog back there. Just passing each other, back and forth. Yeah, we're on the highway here. Rolling along. Back in from over there. Yep. We're almost off the highway here. That was fun. Yep, and there come those 3 trucks up back there. Someone broke down. The bill breaking down over here. Like the favorite spot. Yeah, it's like the favorite spot or something. Oh. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.